Captive is an insurance company owned by its members for the benefit of its members. So the traditional insurance market, you buy an insurance program, you pay your premiums, you have a claim, you file a claim, you don't know what goes on with the claim. You have no clue what goes on the claim, but then you get around to the next year and your insurance cost goes up. And your insurance agent tells you, well, remember that claim we had during the last period? It blew up, it was worse than we thought, and so guess what? The insurance company needs a big percentage of increase. And you had no control or no say-so over that claims process. In the captive process, you not only know about what goes on in the claim, you direct it from the get-go. You're involved, and we're meeting with you quarterly to tell you about your claims. So come the end of the third quarter, I don't have to tell you if your costs are going up or your costs are going down, but you've had influence in that claim and you've had influence in how that claim was settled. So you have control over your process. So if I'm in the captive with you, your costs determine your rate, my costs determine my rate. The only thing we share are fixed costs, which are typically 40% of the premium. So you have a chance to determine your cost based off of your experience and not because of mine. So that's the reason we enjoy the captive experience. We have a safety department, a loss control department that is our captive day 2 team. We meet quarterly, and so they do a risk assessment at the first of the year, and they determine what your needs are from a safety standpoint. They review your claims. They look for trends in your claims. They look for trends in your violations. If you're a trucking company, you have records of your violations. So we look for those trends and we build off of that. Plus, in our risk control assessment that we do with you at the first of the year, we talk about what do you want to work on this year? Is it OSHA related issues that we need to address and get you safety? Or is it DOT related issues? Is it driving habits? What can we do to help you as an employer? And so, we all know that the cost of a claim, we think about that as being the bad part of a claim, but actually it's downtime. It's employee injuries, it's work related, time that we're off, the truck's down. So we're trying to help you prevent all that, which makes you better as a company, not just your insurance cost.
Higginbotham is one of our biggest and most influential partners that we work with on a day-to-day basis. Higginbotham does work with us on a variety of other captives that we do have. They are a big player. They do have a lot of influential members who are within our captive. They have brought us some fantastic prospects. We greatly value the partnership that we do have with Higginbotham, so we look forward to a continued good, solid relationship of continuing to grow our captive practice, and we couldn't have got to where we are today without the Higginbotham team.
So at Higginbotham, we're not just focused on your insurance costs, while the captive does address that and gives you a way to improve that, but we want to make you a better company. If we make you a better company, we're going to be better.